Don't let me walk on you tonight.
Hi everyone, welcome to Mask Monday. Today I'll be using a Warbotanicals clay mask, and what you will need to do this facial is a big bowl so you can wash your face or just use your basin. It doesn't have to be anything flash, just as long as it's big enough. You will also need a small bowl to mix up your clay mask, whether it's just a normal dish bowl or actually a wooden bowl, anything that's just smaller that you can mix the mask in with. Next, what you will need is some facial wipes, whether they are sponges or these facial wipes, or even just washing it in your basin's fine, so it doesn't have to be anything spectacular. You'll also need a fan brush to mix in the clay mask with your distilled water or your filtered water or your bottled water. So a fan brush is the best to use for application. Next, you will need a tablespoon or a teaspoon, either one, so that is to put your clay mask into the bowl and mix it up. I will be cleansing my face with the Warbotanicals facial cleanser. They do have different ones for your skin type. I've got the yellow clay mask, which is the one that I'll be using on my face today, and that helps with just revitalizing tired looking skin. What you're going to do is put some warm water into the bowl or at your basin, wash your face with the cleanser. Doesn't have to be the Warbotanicals cleanser, it can be a cleanser that you use at home, doesn't matter which brand. So add some water to your product and emulsify it, which means get it all foamy, and wash your face all over, including your eyelids, under your eye, all over your face, especially on your nose. We need to get right into the nose. And don't forget to go out all the way to your ears. We tend to forget the spot that is just close to the ears and kind of focus on our eyes, our nose, and our mouth. Make sure you get further out and do the sides of your face, because it's super important that they get cleaned too. And don't forget your neck. Your neck is just as important as your face because it ages faster than your face does. So be sure to clean your neck as well as your face all over. If your face is super dirty, cleanse twice, otherwise rinse your face and you're ready to go. In your small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon or 2 teaspoons of your clay mask. Again, you can use just a normal bowl from your kitchen and use a plastic measuring spoon, and don't forget your fan brush. Now don't forget, when you're mixing your clay mask with water, it needs to be either distilled, filtered or bottled water. The elements in tap water may affect how well the clay mask works on your face, so we want it to be as pure as possible. So as I said, filtered, distilled or bottled water only. Try to stay away from your tap water. Now keep in mind, you don't need a lot of water to mix this product, 1 or 2 capfuls only. It needs to be a relatively medium consistency, not too runny, not too thick. We want it to glide on easily, but the thicker the consistency, the longer it takes to dry. So we really do not need a lot of water. Keep that in mind when mixing it, because as I said, the thicker the paste, the longer it takes to dry. And you only should have this mask on for about 30 minutes. So if it's too thick, it will not dry in time. When we're applying this product, we're going to be applying this product from the base of our neck all the way up to our forehead. When we are applying, we're going to try and remember to use upward strokes only where possible, because we want to feel the pull of it drying upwards, not downwards. When you get close to the eye area, go as close as possible. This mask is extremely safe. It will not penetrate the skin, it will not burn, it will not make your eyes watery or anything like that. So put it as close to under the eye as possible so you get the benefits of it right under the eye. And that's the problematic area for most men and women with dark circles, tiredness, all that sort of jazz. So get as close to under the eye as possible. Don't be afraid, it won't hurt you at all. When you have finished applying your mask, set your timer for 30 minutes and enjoy the feeling of this clay mask tightening and perhaps a little bit of meditation and that Zen feeling. The Warbotanicals Yellow Clay Mask conditions and tones the skin that tends to lose vitality quickly. If you're looking tired and worn out, you should try the yellow clay mask. The green clay is the strongest for detoxification, so perfect for treating acne. It is soothing on any inflammation and it's perfect for wounds and arthritic joints as well. Pink clay is perfect for skin that's starting to lose its tone and finds this clay very useful. It's perfect for all skin types and it's cleansing and toning. The red clay mask helps to improve the condition of dry, sensitive skin and even helps with a little bit of capillary skin. The white clay mask soothes and softens the skin. It's suitable for all the skin types. It has the gentlest drawing action of all the clays. It is soothing and restorative and suitable for all skin types. The China White Clay Mask is a pure sensory delight. It contains organic white tea extracts and French white clay and is full of super antioxidants and is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Once we have washed the clay mask off, we will be applying the Warbotanicals eye gel, and this will go under the eye, over the brow bone, and even over the eyelid if you like. And the best thing about the eye gel is if you keep it in the fridge, it will get rid of any puffiness and fine lines. Brilliant product. To finish off, we will be using the Warbotanicals Face the Day Moisturiser. It is a lightweight moisturiser for everyday use. Now, they do have other products for more mature skin if you like more of the rich moisturizers, and that's called the Arabian Day Glow. And they also have Arabian Night and a Night Renewal Cream. So one of these products will be perfect depending on whether you're doing this facial during the day or in the evening, but fabulous products to finish off with. This facial service is available at Coco, Rouge Face and Body. Alternatively, if you do want to get your hands on this brilliant product for a DIY at-home facial, I will drop the contact details in the description and you can contact me and we can arrange that for you. Happy Mask Monday, beauties. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe at the end and I'll see you next time.